What's up guys, Simon here. In this video, super excited to finally test an earbud that is over $50 lately. I've been testing a lot of earbuds that are affordable because there's a lot of people that want the best value for the best earbud. But this particular model caught my eye. The case, it's like a Zippo lighter. These are supposed to be excellent. They're not the leaders in terms of hours of listening or anything like that, but they are made by Klipsch. Now these are the T5 True Wireless. This brand has been around for a long time. They make some excellent speakers, audiophile speakers, home theater speakers, etc. They're in car audio. So when I got a chance to test their earbuds, I was super excited, and I am still excited. I'm going to do an unboxing and review. If you enjoy these type of videos, the biggest favor you could do for me is subscribe to the channel, hit that like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm, turn on the notification bell, and check out techvisibility.com. So let's get into this premium unboxing and review, and I'll let you know if they're worth the money. Okay, so the packaging is really nice, guys. It feels very sturdy. The cardboard is thick. For some reason, I'm into packaging as well. And some of these companies, when they send the packaging to your door, some of the packaging feels flimsy. It speaks about the product as well. In my opinion, that's definitely not the case. But this looks like a high quality packaging and a high quality product. So here we have the side. It tells you the dimensions. They're fairly decent size. The dimensions of the case. It doesn't tell you the weight, so we're gonna have to weigh it because this box feels heavy. And inside, true comfort, true performance, true independence. I don't know what that means. I guess they're independent of each other. The charging case, the earbuds, and they're sweat resistant. Oval ear tips for the ultimate comfort. Legendary detailed dynamic Klipsch sound. I mentioned, guys, Klipsch has been around. 4 mics with clear voice chat, 8-hour battery, 24-hour charging case, and a seamless connection to the digital assistants of your choice. They have the Bluetooth logo. They use Qualcomm Klipsch. On the bottom, it says new item, and then it has this gold sticker for performance. Now I have, this is a first, guys. My blade came out without a blade. Is this bad luck or is this meant to be? So I gotta pop this back in. All right, we're back in. We pull it out. We're back in business, guys. Okay, here we go. So we're gonna, dang, that sticker won't cut. This is some premium stuff. Okay, we got that done. There's nothing on the bottom side, so this should just come out. I'm excited. What is in here? This looks premium. It feels premium. Oh my, look at that. True story. Klipsch has been making original audio products with exceptional quality since the dawn of hi-fi, when Paul Klipsch unleashed the first loudspeaker and made the world sound a whole lot better. So a little bit about the company, and I do know there is a history. They were established in 1946. I mean, this looks really neat. Now, the manual's got a lot to talk about. We're just gonna go ahead and review a few basics here. So charging, hold for 8 seconds to factory reset. Pairing, they both need to be in there. You press it 3 times while it's in the case. Indicator, solid red is charging, blinking is low battery, no connection if it's blinking twice, and the blue blink is on and they're connected. There's a battery indicator on the case itself. 0 to 33 is the first, 33 to 66, 66 to 100, and that's pretty much it. So on the left and right, one tap, there's a volume. This means short press, this means long press, this means double press. So a short press is voice assistant, pause or play on the right. A long press is volume down. A long press on the right is volume up. Double tap on the left, go back. Double tap on the right, go forward. Hang up is pretty simple. That's simple. All right, packaging. Wow, come on, these look premium, guys. I hope you're seeing what I'm seeing, but that does look really premium. Oh my God, it's heavy, but look how thick it is. That feels really high end. I don't know, it's the stainless steel for me that does it. There's nothing like it, but this is freaking heavy. I will say that. Now, here are the earbuds. They look premium. Oh my goodness, the left, the right, look at the microphones on these. 2 here. Like there's 2, it might be one somewhere else. I can't see it, but they say they have a lot of mics and they look fantastic. So these look great, and this is a button. All right, so we're gonna pair the foam here as well in the packaging. very high quality. They don't spare anything. Like, I've never seen foam this high quality before, okay? Inside, we are gonna have a little baggie, okay? That's all that comes inside this box. And in the baggie, we have the USB-C connector with a USB adapter for the regular USB, and it's a USB-C cable. I'm glad they're including a USB-C cable adapter and a few ear tips, extra ear tips for your different size ears. We're not going to open that up because generally the standard ear tips fit me well. Love this USB-C adapter. That's pretty neat. And that's all that comes with the packaging. So I am now going to go ahead and pop it in, and we'll do a little comparison here. So they don't completely just fall right in, but they do pop in. So here's the 3 indicators. I don't know if you could see that, but this looks really high end. Now, here comes the AirPods, right? Look how much thicker this Klipsch case is. I mean, that is pretty thick, guys. On the sides, look how much thicker it is. And what's weird is the charger is on this side, so you kind of have to just plug it in like so, I guess. So it's gonna stick out, but it is a USB-C. Obviously, this is a Lightning. Let's weigh these guys out because you need to know the truth. So I turned on my trusted coffee scale. So there we go. Let's weigh the AirPods. Now, these AirPods have the AirPods inside, okay? These are the 2nd generation. And with it, they're about 48 grams. Anybody want to take a guess how much this weighs? It's like a solid metal brick. Okay, the clips are in there. 40 grams versus 106, so more than double the weight. So imagine holding 2 of these to get the same effect of these. All right, thank you, scale. We're out. I'm gonna go ahead and get them connected, test them out, and see if these are worth the premium sound. There is a Klipsch T5 app you need to download to make sure that you have the latest software. They will pair by Bluetooth and update the earbuds. This has the aptX and AAC high quality, so they're supposedly as good of audio as if you were hardwired to headphones. And of course, they're water resistant like every other earbud out now. And the metal case is what does it and makes it stand apart. Now, the newer version of these come in black. I'm probably going to do a review on them as well. They're going for about $120. They also have Bluetooth 5.0, 32 hours of battery life, but they have a much slimmer case is what I understand. And they come with transparency mode, and the case is also metal. It's gunmetal on the black version of the T5 2s. Okay, so let's hear them out. I am going to go ahead and pop them in my ear. Right away, I'm getting a noise reduction. These have paired well. They are in my ear. They fit well. This is how they look. If you guys are curious, they don't feel like they could fall out. It's not the best fit, but definitely snug in there. And once again, they are providing some noise cancellation. So I'm going to go ahead and play first a rap song to see what the bass is like, what the clarity is like. Then I'll go into something else to give us a perspective of mids and highs and lows. And I typically play almost the same rap song to get an idea of comparing them to everything else out there. So here we go. Light it up, light it up. Very clear bass, not the deepest bass, but very, very clear bass, okay? The mids are really good, the lows are really good. I would say these are very professionally sounding earbuds. They are really good quality. Now I'm having to adjust my right ear. It's a little bit loose in my opinion, so I'm gonna twist it a little more, but it's really good sound, guys. Not that much bass in terms, these aren't like the Power Beats or the Beats Fit Pro. They're not on that level, so if you want maybe an earbud that's more on bass, I'd probably go with something else. These have a good bass, but you could actually hear the song, okay? Let's get another song going.
1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down, feel alive.
Very clear. I mean, this is as clear as it gets. They rival some of the best out there. The Klipsch brand would probably put out a quality product, and they've done that here. Very clear. Throughout the song, you're just getting very clear sound. And you're getting that decent amount of bass. You're getting a good amount of treble. You're getting the mids are coming in, the highs. The voice is crystal clear. Like, I feel as if someone's singing to me directly. These don't have transparency mode. There is no noise canceling on this particular version of the T5s. However, with the ear tips, I do get some noise canceling naturally. Overall, they're pretty good. Let's test them out for a phone call, okay?
Hey Simon, what's up?
Yuri, what's up? I am now testing the cool looking Klipsch T5s, the originals. How do I sound?
You sound very clear.
Cool.
Yeah.
I hear my nasally sound because, again, there's no transparency mode, so my ears are muffled and it sounds nasally or kind of like a hull way. But you can hear me clearly?
Nice and clear.
Excellent. All right, well, I appreciate you picking up. I'm going to go back to this review.
All right.
Pretty good for music.
All right.
All right, thanks. Man. Bye.
Have a good day. Bye.
Yep, so there you have it, folks. The call went great. Let's take these out. So let's talk about what I love about these and what I don't like about them, okay? I love the case, actually. I wish more companies would do a metal case. It just feels rugged. Obviously, I wanted it to be half the size, and I think the new version's coming out. You compare them again to the AirPods, you can see the difference is massive. I mean, this is its girthy metal brother, and the AirPods were on a diet. And the weight, you could feel the difference. The sound, very crystal clear on these. The bass is just enough. The drivers are really good. I would say that it's not the deepest I've heard. They are some of the clearest I've heard. The battery life on these is excellent, but it's not top of the line as well. Again, they're advertising 24 hours on the case and 8 hours battery on the earbuds themselves. I love how it opens like a cigarette lighter. I don't know why, no one smokes anymore probably, but just something about it to close it like that is pretty cool. I think it's a awesome thing, and I think people are going to see it and go, whoa, what are those? So overall, excellent earbuds for the price. I wish they had transparency mode, which you could get earbuds with transparency mode and noise canceling. You could check those out on my channel. There's different brands. These don't have noise canceling. They don't have transparency mode. There's no wireless charging. I don't like the charging plug being directly on the back, because then you can't lay it down and see the Klipsch name. Typically they're at the bottom, and I don't know why they didn't do that here, but really unique looking product, and I love it how it feels. I don't know, I'm starting to love holding it. I'm really eager to test the T5 2s. These are great entry levels. Are they worth $70? I'd say they're worth a shot. So if you're looking for a unique case, if you're tired of seeing the same old AirPod cases, the copycats and these versions, and you're looking for a solid case that's gonna stand out from the pack, the Klipsch T5s are excellent, okay? They're true wireless. They felt great. The noise was one of the top levels. I wouldn't compare them to like the Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds, which go for about $200, but I would say they're on par with anything $100 or over. If you're looking for more bass, these are pretty good, but they're not the deepest sounding bass I have listened to. I'm actually sad if we don't get to keep these, because I'm in love with the case. I don't know, something about metal, the feel, it's like that iPhone without the bumper. It feels great in the hand. You worry about the scratches, and I wonder what's going to happen to the case once it gets all scratched up, because stainless steel does scratch. So that's another thing. If you have to put a case on this big guy here, imagine the case sticking out even further. And just in comparison relative to the iPhone, look how much thicker it is. So that is too much in my opinion. I don't think I would want to put a bumper on this guy. You'd have to live with the scratches and the drops. And I bet if this thing drops on the ground, it's goodbye, nice shiny stainless steel case. Definitely goodbye, especially with this weight. Hope you enjoyed this review. Please subscribe and like the video, share it. Also turn on the notification bell. Check out techvisibility.com for more product news and reviews. See you guys here in the next video. Thanks.